What's up guys, Tony here with HighTechCheck, and today we're going to be taking a look at an automatic car mount that is also a wireless charger, and this is by VICSEED. And I've done a few reviews on wireless car mounts, but none like this. This one's automatic, so basically what you do is you put your phone in here, and these little clamps automatically adjust to your phone and grip it so it doesn't move anywhere, and then when you want to take it off, there's a little button on the side here that you push and it releases. So you don't have to worry about fiddling with the sides to clamp your phone. It just does it automatically. This one is wireless Qi capable. You can use it with Samsung devices, anything from the Galaxy S8 all the way to the Note 9. You can use it with iPhones, the iPhone 8, all the way up to the iPhone 10 Max. Now this is capable of quick charging your iPhone and your Galaxy phone or whatever phone you have that's Qi wireless enabled, but you have to use a Quick Charge 3.0 capable car charger to get those quick charge speeds. So just keep that in mind. And the outputs are 10 watts max. The inputs are 5 volts at 2 amps and 9 volts at 2 amps. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what you get inside. So here you get a little air vent clamp. Just put this onto your air vent and it clamps down in case you don't want to put it on your windshield or your dashboard. Here is the windshield mount itself. It's fully adjustable. You just undo this little screw here and then you can adjust it pretty much any way that you like. You can also adjust this here. This pulls out. And there's a suction cup. Here you have your micro USB cable. And here's the charger itself. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to adjust this bottom piece to fit to your phone. So every time you put your phone in here, it will hit the same exact spot every single time. So you know you're going to get that perfect charge. Now another interesting thing is this has a built-in rechargeable battery. As you can see, it's not plugged in. You plug it in the bottom here. So if you want the clamps to retract, there's a little button here, press it, and it clamps down. If you want to release your phone, you simply press one of the buttons on the side. It's that simple. So here I am using a Quick Charge 3.0 wall adapter just for testing purposes. Okay, so here it is all plugged up. It's plugged into the wall of the Quick Charge wall adapter. And then you've got your sticky suction cup at the bottom here. And then what you want to do is you make sure that this is totally flipped up when you put it down on something you want, because you want it to be nice and tight. So we'll go ahead and stick this right here. Push that down a little bit, and then we will fasten it. Just push this little thing down pretty tight. There you go. You can adjust this the way that you like. It's closed right now. We'll just open it up. Just hit 1. So here we have the iPhone XR that we're going to be using for testing. It does have a case on it. So I believe this has a 6.1 inch screen. So what you're going to want to do is adjust this little holder here to the 6.3. And then when you put your phone in, it automatically grips to the phone. That's pretty cool. And as you can see here, it's lighting up like a bluish, purplish. As you can see, it is charging. And then if you want to release it, you just hit one of the buttons on the side here and it releases. You want it to grip again? Just tap your phone. So now let's try it with a Galaxy S8 Plus. So here it is again. As you can see, it does have a case on it. These are fairly thin cases, so just keep in mind if your case is too thick, you might not be able to use it with this. Okay. So again, this has a 6.2 inch screen, so it's already set. So we just put this in here and it automatically grips. It's not moving. And as you can see, it is fast charging. Like I said, I am using the Quick Charge 3.0 wall adapter, and if you use the same thing for your car, you will get the fast charging speeds. Okay guys, so once again, here it is. We're mounting it in the car. I do have it plugged into the Quick Charge 3.0 car charger. It's all set up, so you just adjust it to your windshield. So here we have it all set up. Here is my iPhone XR. I'll put it in here, push it back, tap on it, and you're good to go. And then when you want to release it, you just touch the little buttons on the side here, and it releases, and you're good to go. And then you can also rotate it into landscape mode once it's connected. Just like that. Works really well. And then again, once you want to release it, just hit the button on the side. It's that simple. Like I said, very sturdy, not going anywhere, and once the phone is in there too, it doesn't move either. And then once you want to take it off, you just push down the little lever here, and then take the little tab and peel it off. It's on there pretty good, which is awesome. And then like I said again, you don't have to worry about your phone coming out. It's in there until you hit those little buttons on the side. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for the VICSEED wireless car charging automatic mount. I can honestly say this is the coolest mount that I've ever done a review on. I mean, it pretty much does everything for you. You put your phone in it clamps, you push the button, it unclamps, it wireless charges, fast charges even. What more could you want from a wireless car charger? So I will be putting a link in the description below in case you guys want to check this out yourself. If you like my channel and want to support me, please use that link, because it helps me keep making videos for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.